Training day one, here we go.
Imagine you're a Marine Corps officer. Now, what is the most 04 major thing you can do? Run the Marine Corps Marathon. I don't know why, when you become some middle-aged officer, you grow to messing with expectations to run 26.2 miles in this Marine Corps Marathon race. So today marks training day one, the debarkation line in the sand drawn by me, and you guessed it, Dookie, for our journey to the Marine Corps Marathon. And just for fun, we're also going to run that Air Force Marathon for shits and giggles. So follow along as we get after it, because it's going to be blood, guts, and beers.
All right, so today's training day one. Didn't do very much, but got started. So, day one down towards marathon. Big things, knees hurting, did 5 miles yesterday, but it's not an excuse. So I'm gonna keep logging the miles. When you get a training plan together, you need to be a little more conscientious about nutrition. Drank last night, drank this afternoon, lots of beer, not a lot of good food. So we're gonna work on that. But feels good to, even though it's late in the day, do something to log some miles on training day one and keep working towards this. If you have any pointers on training plans for a first marathon, please drop it down below, because we need to get a better training plan together than just going out and running. Peace.